Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most convenient accessories for the PlayStation 5, the PlayStation Media Remote. If you're looking to enhance your gaming and entertainment experience, this is the device for you. The PlayStation Media Remote is designed specifically for the PS5, making it the best choice for navigating your console's menus and controlling your media playback. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or simply scrolling through your games, this remote offers a seamless experience. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, it boasts an intuitive layout with dedicated media playback controls. You have built-in play, pause, fast forward, and rewind buttons, allowing you to quickly navigate through your movies, TV shows, or even streaming services without needing to fumble with your controller. Another fantastic aspect of the PlayStation Media Remote is its seamless compatibility with the PS5 console. You can power on your PS5 directly from the remote and easily navigate the system menus, which is a huge convenience, especially when you're ready to jump straight into gaming after a long day. But wait, there's more. The remote features an integrated IR transmitter that enables you to adjust the volume and power settings of compatible TVs. This means you can control multiple devices with just one remote, simplifying your entertainment setup significantly. Design-wise, the PlayStation Media Remote is sleek and modern, complementing the aesthetic of your PS5. Its ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for extended use during those long gaming or movie nights. The remote is primarily white, matching the PS5, and it feels solid in hand. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply pair it with your console, and you're ready to go. However, do keep in mind that a PS5 system software update may be required for optimal functionality. This remote is specifically designed for the PS5, so while it excels in that environment, it may not work with older PlayStation consoles. In conclusion, the PlayStation Media Remote for PS5 is undoubtedly a must-have accessory for any serious gamer or media enthusiast. It offers unparalleled convenience, exceptional functionality, and an aesthetic that complements your gaming setup. Whether you're using it for gaming, streaming, or just enjoying your favorite content, this remote enhances your overall experience. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and product critiques. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting product insights and reviews.